Assignment number 2, interview. Age 6-year-old child. Reflection in age 6. For what I have observed in this interview, child at 6 has a short attention span. The child can easily be distracted. At first, as I utter different words, I noticed that the child is not listening attentively. But as time goes by, I have noticed that she got bored. She can't share likes and interests as you ask her, but she is also able to identify the parts of book. In the last part of the interview, with storytelling, she is not able to retell the story. To the second, age 9-year-old child. Reflection in age 9. As I interviewed the child, she was attentive to our instructions to pay attention because I were going to measure how many words she could remember. After saying the words, I asked her some questions before asking her what she remembered about them. I noticed that she could answer questions and express her opinions. However, when I asked her how many of the words she remembered, she only remembered 7 out of 10. She enjoys reading and told us that it helps her learn more in school. So reading is essential for our ability to learn. 2. I told her a story and then after asking her a few questions, I let her retell it. She gave the highlights of what actually happened in the story, which lead us to conclude that she is good at retelling stories. She has comprehension.
The data that we collect from 11 years old child. First, I recite the 10 words that she needs to remember, and those are bag, pencil, book, cell phone, apple, hair, egg, dog, cat, and pink. And then I ask her a question. The question is Tagalog so that the child can easily understand. According to her, only 5 words she recalled from what I mentioned, and reading the words twice or more can help her to remember. Also, learning by doing is the effective way for her to learn. She also mentioned that she's not good at remembering. And then I asked her kung may mga activities pa siya na ginagawa para makatulong sa kanya upang matuto sa school. And she said, yes. At yun ay ang pagbabasa at paghahanap ng meaning ng salitang hindi niya maintindihan. And then, I asked her again kung sa tingin mo natutulungan ka na activities na ginagawa mo para matuto. And she said, yes also. I asked her if she remember the 10 words that I mentioned a while ago. And she said, yes, but book, pencil, hair, cell phone, and pink are the words she recalled. I asked her also that kung ano ang ginagawa niya para makatulong sa kanya para maalala yung mga salitang binanggit ko kanina. Sabi niya is makinig ng mabuti. In this part, I told her that she needs to listen carefully because I'm going to read a story about the Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs, and she is going to listen to the story to test her memory capacity. Hindi ko na-exkwento yung Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs dito kasi parehas lang naman yung kwento na ginamit namin yung sa mga naunang interview. Before I told her to recall the story, I asked her first a few questions, and I found out that she loves to read books to learn more and for a more reading as well. Her strategy to understand what is being read is to read it twice or more. Kumbaga, paulit-ulit yung babasahin para mas maintindihan niyo yung binabasa niya. And then, when I asked her to retell the story as